First video Jimmy Mckenzie, the Council Secretary for Gamalete District Council. Remote sighting a plot a Bonno housing scheme. Along for it was launched sometimes last year. But this is the one to submission application for approval design last week Friday, and we have been requested as Gamalete District Council to fast track approval of this layout. So hence we appreciate that. We lead the planning authority being the physical planning committee so that we come and appreciate and also understand since this plot was launched last year, and there are a few changes that happened following the approval that was done last year on the design. We are here to come and appreciate so that this afternoon the planning authority it's our the designs that were submitted to assist the fast track the construction plot. But that is basically why we are here. For example, appreciate that. We also wanted to appreciate for all the services that will be needed here. If the relevant authorities is engaged, for water utilities, BPC, and those services. But we are really thankful that all the services are available. Project like I said, we are still going to engage BAC so that they'll nail the full program of how, so that this process should be seamless. In terms of facilitation, the construction is already set. So basically,